So, are you an entrepreneur, or you have an online shop, or you have something you're selling online, maybe product, or you have a services you're rendering online? Okay, so this video is for you, and you are struggling with it, with sales, with meeting targeted customers. Then this video is for you. Hi guys, my name is Victoria Madagwa, and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Please, if this is your first time watching this video, and of course seeing me, please, I want you to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also turn on the notification button so you'll be able to access more of my videos. So today I'll be very techy because this is a business video. So I want to talk about digital marketing. So I welcome you to today's online lecture. So today is mainly techy, and so we're talking about digital marketing. So digital marketing involves the promotion of products and services using digital channel, e.g. internet, mobile technology. Okay, so I have a book here where I've penned my keynote, so I'll be diving in and out just to explain. So we have examples of digital marketing. Of course, we have content marketing. I'm going to explain each and every one of them. We have content marketing, we have video, we have social media marketing, we have email marketing, we have search engine optimization, and we also have search engine marketing. I'm going to explain each and every one of them. We have so many, but this is the one I've actually picked up and figured out, and it's actually working really well. So let's talk about content marketing. So I've seen this on Instagram, where you want to sell something and your write-ups are very quirky, and so people are saying people don't really read, no, some people actually do read. If your content are nice, trust me, if your writings are nice, people are going to read it. So you have to be very direct with your content, at least the first two lines. Then I'm not talking about keywords there. So the first two lines of your content, the first two sentences should be able to catch your customers, your clients' attention. So we talk about videos. A lot of brands a lot of people selling online are taking that video part. I'm going to explain that video part towards the end of this video. So let's talk about social media. How can you be into business? You don't have a social media page, you don't have Facebook page, you don't have Instagram page, you don't have Google Business, you don't have what other channels? You have to use social media. The space is big, your ID customers are there. If only you be able to tag, bring them to you and all that. We need your services, we need your product. So if you are smart and you know what you are doing, of course your customers are there. Please ignore the noise and just focus on this course. So we have search engine optimization. And what search engine optimization is the process of improving the quality and quantity of website traffic to a website or a web page for search engine. So if you have a blog, this is for you. This is for you. If you're a blogger, this is for you. You have to be very direct about your search engine optimization. Okay, you have to be very conscious about it. So where you can actually get paid to rank higher in search engines such as Google. Google is the top one. A lot of people are cashing out from there, blah. So we have search engine marketing. It's a form of internet marketing that involves the promotion of websites by increasing their visibility in search engine like Google. Okay, and you can actually do paid adverts. So you can do paid adverts on Instagram, Facebook. Now we have paid advert that can actually direct your customer to your WhatsApp. So instead of them sending you a DM through your Instagram or Facebook account, you can actually do an advert that directs them to your WhatsApp directly. So then you get to save their number, okay, and when you post on your status, they get to see whatsoever you are doing. So that's a very amazing way. So if you are doing paid adverts, sponsored posts on Instagram and Facebook, please be very specific about it. And then when we talk about target marketing, also we want to look at content marketing inside the target marketing. We want to look at videos, creating videos. So who are your target customers? Who are your ideal customers? You have to look at them. So if you have, let's say you're selling a product, let's say you are selling a cloth like shoes, let's say sneakers. Who are your customers? Are they from 18 down to 40, or 40 down to 100? So you have to be very specific. So if you can know who you are selling to, then you know how to write your content and what kind of video you will do, so you bring your customers to you. Now let's talk about, and also if you are running a target ads, you should be very conscious about your customers, your clients, where they are, who are you targeting, the kind of people. Are you targeting the low, the medium, or the higher for your services or your product? So you have to, these are things you have to note down before you start running ads, so you will not just be in the space and you're spending money and you're not getting return back. And then you have to keep, if you're writing content, if you're writing video, you have to keep it very simple, direct, and a little bit interesting, because you want to be. Now let's talk about you using video as a tool to market your product. Okay, so I will tell you a story, then I'll just continue. Once upon a time, I wanted to buy a shoe. There's a particular shoe I saw on a friend's page. So I saw the shoe for is it not 8,000 or so? Yeah, I saw the shoe for 8,000, and then another person is on my status posting that same shoe, that same brand, that same thing at the rate of 5,000 naira. Do you get? But so I'm now weighing, and I needed a shoe. So I'm thinking of, okay, I've seen this thing at a very cheaper price, but I'm scared to purchase it. Why? Because I don't even know the lady. There's no picture on her profile picture, on her status, on her profile. There's no video. I've not seen any of her video. I don't even know her. So I was actually scared to entrust her with my money. So I had to buy from the 8,000 naira seller that I know very much, that posts her video always. I've seen pictures of her. I know her. So I know if this girl takes my money and does not deliver, I know how to go about it. So I bought very expensive, and I bought it because why? Because I've seen somebody that has shown her face, so I can actually say, okay, no, let me give you this money, and then I know that you will deliver. But then somebody that is selling at a very cheaper rate, because I don't know anything about her, I just know that her name is so and so. I have her number, I see her status, but I don't even know how she looks. It was very scary. So that was how she lose me, and that is how some people are losing their customers or their clients. So most of the time, people get to buy you instead of your product. So videos is one way to get trust from your customers, for them to trust you, for them to say, okay, no, this person, if I give this person my money, she will deliver. If I give this person my job, she's going to deliver for me. So even if you're rendering services or you're selling products, people know that, or at least a couple of some videos they've seen about you, they've seen you, what you do, you yourself in particular, they know that, no, this person can deliver. So video is a very ideal thing to use when you are selling services, or when you are rendering services, and when you are selling products. So if you are a business person, you're an entrepreneur, you have this product, you have this what's it called? You have these services. Please take advantage of videos. So I sell jewelry. Sometimes I make videos on how to take care of my jewelry, how my customer can take care of their jewelries. If there's any small thing that they can fix by themselves, I show them how they can fix it. If you are into nails, you show your customers how to apply their press-ons, things like that. You are showing your face, this is me, I'm not a scam, I'm not running with your money. It's very, very ideal. These are things you should put in place when you are doing digital marketing, or when you're trying to sell your product, or when you're trying to render your services. So you must do this particularly. So on my next video, I'm going to talk about how to do videos, how to make targeted videos, how to make content targeted videos for your brand. Okay, I'm going to talk about how you can market your product or market your services on my next video. So please, this is a very, very important thing. You want to subscribe to my channel, so when I drop a video, you'll be the first to watch. And when you watch, please always make sure you do, because if you don't do it, you're not going to get results. So thank you very much for watching this video. I'm going to catch you on my next video. And please don't forget to follow me on my Facebook page, VV Talk, and on my Instagram, VV Talk, for personal Instagram at Oloriv. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.